You are being judged 24 by 7, every hour, every minute, and every second. Hello new coaches, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how to overcome fear of being judged by others as a beginner when you're starting your journey as a coach. Now watch this video till the end because I'm going to share few tips like how you can overcome with the fear of that particular judgment. Hi, my name is Ravi Nadar and I'm a personal brand designer and also an author of a book, Quit Mediocrity. And I'm on a mission to transform 1 million lives to build a powerful personal brand from within. And I'm here to help you to build your personal brand so that you can become a brand authority, so that people can trust you easily and buy from you whatever you have to offer. And in the last few years, I have already coached 300 plus coaches to build their personal brand, and also 50 plus of my mentees has already got an opportunity to speak at a prestigious platform like TEDx, which actually helped them to doubling their influence, doubling their impact, and doubling their income. So let's get started before you go ahead and judge me. Watch this video till the end and implement it in your life before it's too late for you to be. Number one, stop judging yourself first. You see so many times, like in a day, every 24 by 7, every minute, every hour, every minute, every second. You know who is that person who is actually judging whether I'm looking good, whether I'm looking bad, whether I should do this or whether I should do not, whether what will other people will think, what this will think, like what my parents will think, what my relatives will think, what this is going to happen if I do this, what will go on. Everything is going over here. The number one enemy is you. You are the one who is actually judging yourself a lot. So stop judging yourself. Just go ahead and take that particular action. Once you do that, after that you can go ahead and think about that particular thing. So do not think a lot. Do not judge yourself before you go ahead and execute that particular thing. Maybe that making that particular video or posting that content or making that reels, anything. So stop judging yourself. Because everyone is busy in their own world, so that they go ahead and judge you. They just don't have enough time because everybody is scrolling their own things, looking at different things. They are busy into their own world. So nobody cares like what you do, what you don't do, and everything. Number two is turn your criticism into silence. Now there will be from the point one when I shared that you are the one who is actually judging. Now there will be a certain crowd 1% or 2-3% people who will always be there, who will be there till you die. They are the one who is going to judge you, what you wear, what you don't wear, what you're doing, what you're not doing, why you have not done. That's why also people will be judging. Imagine, right? आपने क्या पढ़ाई किया है? अच्छा आपने ये पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं की? आप ऐसा करना चाहिए था, वैसा करना चाहिए. For everything there will be a judgment, and especially this will be from your relatives. Especially this will be actually from your relatives, and for some, their own family members. Their own family members is going to judge you. Your own family members is going to judge you. You know what to do? Turn that criticism into silence. They will be telling, hey, ladkiyon ke shobha nahi deti hai, you are doing this Instagram reels or making this kind of videos. Colleagues will say you, hey, आप अपने आप को क्या expert समझते हो क्या? इसके बारे में ज्ञान दे रहे हो? People will laugh at you. There are certain crowd of people top 1%, 2%, 3% crowd, they will laugh at you. They will mock you. And you know what to do? Just turn that criticism. See what they have said, what they are saying, what all things they are doing, and just keep silent. Just keep quiet. You need to build that crocodile skin. You know that crocodile skin, right? No matter what, whatever who is who is going to say what, you are not going to react. The moment you start reacting, that's when you will be losing your patience. Especially from the family members, when they will keep you taunting, keep that as a silence. Let the result speaks to the world. Let the result speak to your family member, to your colleagues, to those people who actually laughed at you. I remember one incident when I was starting my journey. Like I recently even one of the mentorship program, which is by Tony Robbins. So unleash the power from within. And there I was doing one activity which he asked to do, like where I have to break that wood and everything. And I captured that particular thing, and I was so much excited that I started dancing. And what did I do? The video which I made, that I put into the Instagram. And the moment when I put that on the Instagram, after 5 to 10 minutes, I saw that there was a literally one person who was actually abusing. Literally, he was abusing, like MC, BC, all kind of bad languages he was actually using to me. And I was saying, hey, congratulations, it is working and you are growing. When somebody is criticizing you, they are not criticizing you, they are criticizing themselves, because they are not able to see, they are not able to do what they have to do, but you have started doing that particular thing. That's why they are criticizing themselves. They are not criticizing actually you. So what did I do? I just deleted that particular comment, I blocked that particular person, and yes, I just moved on. I didn't seek it. Why should I, why did I post that video? I should have not done this. No, because this is as a coach, as a journey, you will get a lot of criticism. And how to handle that criticism? Turn that into silence and make yourself as a crocodile skin. No matter what, you're not going to react, and no matter what, whoever is going to say anything, it's absolutely fine. Hope you got that answer. Number 3. This will actually help you a lot. Surround yourself with like-minded people, the people who is actually supporting you, who believes in your dream, who actually believe in you, who believes in your ability, who believes in your capability. Surround yourself with those like-minded people. And if you do not have somebody who is not like-minded people, stay alone till that particular time. Or maybe get into some kind of a community where you will find all the your same like-minded kind of a people. There are a lot of community as well. When you invest in yourself, like a mentorship program and everything, you will get certain communities, because everybody is going through their journey. So that's how they help and support you. So that's how you will be able to come out of the fear of judgment by others. So I hope you got these 3 tips now. Comment below which is that tips you loved about it, and which is that you are going to implement. And also comment below your questions and problems and challenges if you are facing as a new coach. I will go ahead and try to make a video out of it. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, please press like button. Hit that like button now. Okay. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I know there are so many people who is watching this video and they have not subscribed. Subscribe that button. Okay. So subscribe to my channel, because this channel is for you, where I come in and help you to build that brand authority, so that people can trust you easily, and also buy from you whatever you have to offer. So thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.